Make a great choice today with the 2020 C-Class. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The C-Class is a stylish performer that embodies sophistication and intelligence. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, remote trunk release. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.